In today's video, let's talk about how to use AngelList company profiles. If you are a job seeker trying to find a job and trying to visit a certain company's profile, in today's video, let me show you how it is done. Now, AngelList Talent now has been renamed as WellFound, so make sure you have an account created and your profile ready. In order to view or use a company profile, you just need to head over to the job section, and through this section you can add in your job title as well as location, and this way you'll be able to view different jobs that are showing different job results. You also do have the section of heading over to the discovery page, and right here you'll be able to find new startups that might be of your use. So you can just click on one of these options and you'll be directly taken to the company profile. On the top straight away you'll see a few information that you'll need to know about the company. Also, you can take a look at the overview and take a look at what exactly this company does. Apart from the overview, you can take a look at the people, culture and benefits, funding, as well as all of the jobs that this company has posted. So using this company profile, you can get what this company does and if this company suits you or not. If you do see a job that suits you, you can just click on the apply now button. But before that, make sure you have your resume uploaded as well as your profiles completed. So this is exactly how you use the company profiles on WellFound or AngelList. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.